So now guys, if I will run this code, you can see the result will be like this. Here you can see that we have only one space because before that there was some problem with the terminal and it will show us more spaces here. To be honest, I don't know why, but it goes like this. So don't forget that we have /1, so it will mean the cursor will be here, because here is /n, and the /n create a new line, and after that the print, it means it will print every time on the new line. So here will be new line. Okay, so don't be confused, because that's completely normal. And now I would like to speak about the second method which we can use, and it's called read lines. So it means read every line, so it means read all the lines together. Okay, so I will print again, I will put here /n because we need a new line method to read the lines. Okay, it will goes like this. So if I will run it again, we can see the more lines here, but it's okay. Now it's great. Now it's different. Okay, and we have a method too. Okay, here, but maybe we don't need maybe we don't need this n. If we will run it, you can see that there is some problem with the terminal, with the graphical usage, but that's okay. That's okay. So if I will run it, our code goes like this. Perfect. So we have first method read line, and now we have read lines. So how we can approach that? So with open, again lines txt, and again it's read. Okay, we need to read the content, and here we will create a variable called lines. You can call it whatever you want, and we will do the file, and now use read lines. Be careful, not read line, but read lines. And now we will print it. Okay, so we need to see what it's in there, what's inside. And you can see that this is a list, correct? It's a first line /n, second line /n, third line /n. Again, I just repeat that /n means a new line. Okay, great. So now if you have something like this, so it means that you can read everything what's inside of your file. Maybe it should goes like this, okay, without the line here. So you can read everything like this, and you can read every single line, and it will create a list. Okay, so if you use read lines, the result will be a list of the lines. Okay, and in the next video we will speak about how to iterate this list and print it out.